Guys, I'm so tired and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really not looking forward to this unboxing at all. Yeah, I'm completely lying. I am so looking forward to this unboxing, it's ridiculous. Look at all of these, guys. These are all packages. I forgot 2 more, by the way. We got some bags as well. Yeah, we got some boxes. We got some more boxes. We got some bags. I know, it's kind of crazy, but they restocked on bags, and I really wanted to get as many bags as I possibly could. Now I put some water in my hair so that way my hair doesn't look too crazy. You know, even though it's probably still gonna look like absolute trash. I don't know how much this is. I'll probably put it somewhere on the screen, but this might actually be my biggest Supreme unboxing I have ever done. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, to be honest, I wasn't even planning on making this unboxing, which is why it's been so long since I've done a Supreme unboxing. However, the good people at StockX wanted to, you know, work together. They want to do a little some. And I do like StockX. As you guys know, I've purchased from there in the past. I use it as a platform when I'm checking prices or doing anything. And on top of that, I think they have a really dope portfolio option. So, if you guys are looking at buying some Supreme, or when you guys get your stuff and you order your stuff and you want to sell your Supreme, make sure you check out StockX. It's a good platform to buy and sell on. I'm gonna leave a link to StockX down in the description below. You guys can go check prices on all this stuff if you guys want to, you know, see if your boy's lying about how much this Supreme unboxing is worth. It's kind of cool too because a lot of the stuff has retail prices, so you can actually go and check what the retail price was. So that way you guys can double check to make sure that my thumbnail or my title is accurate, because a lot of people are like, oh, you're lying, but actually usually I undercut, usually. Anyways, I need to take a quick thumbnail. Oh shit, oh fuck. Okay. I took my bifocals off because I don't really feel like wearing them. As you guys know, we gotta use the black blade to cut through this treacherous tape. In the first box, ooh, I got 2 box logos though. I'm kind of stoked on that. Oh, this is from a recent drop. These are actually the Lacoste hat. Oh, wow. Okay. These are actually the Lacoste hats. I'm pretty stoked on these dad hats. I kind of wish I would have got a black one. Supreme Lacoste little patch right there on the front. You got this Lacoste buckle, so it's a little strap back. Smells like a Chinese factory, so that's one of the negatives. Even though it is a Lacoste hat, so I guess the standard of quality is supposed to be a little bit higher. When I say it's a Lacoste hat, it's like made by Lacoste. These hats right here feel like absolute garbage. These are so lightweight, and if this is what the sweats and the nylon little anorak feels like at all, I do not at all. I'm not sad about taking the L because yeah, I don't really like the way this feels. I think curving it would look kind of cool. And I will say that the overall look is kind of cool. This is an all 3M grid pattern with a little Lacoste alligator or a crocodile. I don't know. Someone tried correcting me on which one it is, but it's kind of funny because whatever it was, like I think it's a crocodile, but it used to be an alligator, or it's an alligator and it used to be a crocodile. I don't know. Just do some history research, you know what I'm saying? Hit the Google machine. I forget exactly. But Lacoste has used this pattern in the past. I don't have time to go into too much in-depth research, so let's get right into the next package. So let's get right into the next package. Oh, this is sick, dude. So first of all, we have this right here. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this or keep this. The reason I've debated keeping this is because I kind of want to just take this plaque off and use it for something. I don't know what yet. I feel like that'd be cool. It'd be cool on like a jacket or something. So we will see if I end up keeping that. 3 hats in a row. You guys know me, I don't order a lot of hats. I think those might be all the hats that I've ordered this season. But anyways, next up we have this right here. I love this jacket. As you can see, you got the ARC logo actually stitched into the back. It's tonal. And then you have this like Laffy Taffy ice cream sundae freaking fruit and yogurt parfait colorway. This thing is freaking sick. I love this like khaki brown with the pink sleeves. This is also a nice little varsity jacket as well. Definitely a sick piece, size large. Anyways, next up we have, that means it's probably an accessory. Oh, sick. Yeah, okay, I remember this. This is the storage containers. I actually bought some more of these and I forgot to grab them. I picked these ones up in store. So I should have another small box as well. So I got 2 large boxes and 2 small boxes. I'm assuming that this right here is probably the small box. Whoop, called it. What noise was that? Whoop, called it. Ooh, we got the Vans. I forgot that I even got these. Bro, I hope that I get the Skull Pile box logo. Like, this is like so many different weeks of stuff that it's like I forgot everything that dropped. So here we have these Skull Pile Vans. I believe these actually glow in the dark. I do have the hoodie as well. I actually have 2 of the hoodies. Definitely a sick pair of Vans. I personally like the skate highs. That's because I like skate highs more than slip-ons. Oh, I did get another hat. Yeah, these checker hats were pretty sick. I don't know why I've been buying hats. I just like, I don't know, I liked some of the hats from this season. I know I'm not gonna wear them, but I just thought they were cool, so I copped them. Oh, sick. Oh, sick. Yes, you see that, guys? You can see the we're gonna go over the stickers at the very end, but I'm pretty stoked on that sticker pack. That's one of the things I was worried about. And I got a poster. So freaking dope. The whole order was worth it just for that. In this package right here, we have the all-over print sweatpants. As you can see, the Fear of a Black Planet Public Enemy sweats. And yeah, these things are crazy. I didn't really like this all-over print. However, I will say, if there was any of the pieces that it translated well on, it would definitely be the sweatpants. I wish this was embroidered. That's a huge letdown. Sorry, Supreme. Change your life. Although I liked this collaboration in terms of the pieces, or like, I guess, what it referenced, this is definitely my least favorite of the Undercover Supreme collaborations. We're actually making pretty good time, I feel like. Maybe I'm just tripping, but by the way, kids, don't ever cut... Ooh, yeah, that felt good. It's got an injury, guys. This unboxing shit's dangerous. I was just gonna say, don't ever cut towards yourself as I cut towards myself. That's karma. I deserved to get stabbed. But anyways, thankfully, this is my unboxer, and I don't use it for camping like I should, so it's getting kind of dull. It still drew blood, though. Anyways, let's see, what do we have in here? We have a little sticker. Woo-hoo! Yes! Okay, so first of all, we got this thing right here. This is going to be used for camping, so I'm actually able to rip this off. I'm gonna use this for camping. I'm gonna hang this from my backpack or my sack. Sack. Anyways, it says Supreme. Wow, crazy design, super fancy. Next up we have these pants right here. Now originally I got these pants to sell. However, I kind of have a fit pick idea for these pants, so I'm probably gonna keep these for a while. These are size small, as you can see. It has Supreme on the cargo pockets right there. Maybe I'll even just use this for like a little hiking fit. I like the cargo pockets. I wish that they were not joggers or like that sweatpant nylon material like cuffed at the bottom, but still, regardless, I'm not tripping. Cuff boys, shout to you, cuffs all day. I stabbed myself. Emotional. Warning, graphic content. Oh, we got some heaters in here. This package took so freaking long to ship, and there is so much different-ish in here. Okay, first of all, 2 more hats. We got the S logo, and we got the floral camp cap. I do have these pants as well that match. I did not get the trench coat because I'm short, and it's hard for me to... I don't know, man. I like trench coats, but I've just kind of accepted the fact that I can't really wear trench coats. Anyways, we got some more boxers because, of course, what else, you know, everyone needs some overpriced, I guess, Supreme Hanes boxers. We got the pack light. Now this is a light that I plan on using myself personally. This is going to be one of the few items from this season that make it into my personal collection. We got the Skull Pile bandana. I actually got that for a friend of mine who wanted one. We got this jersey, which I actually saw Smoke Perp wearing after it came out. I think this is a dope jersey. This is my favorite colorway, and this was actually the last colorway to sell out. The Mighty Ducks colorway obviously sold out first, but I plan on wearing this like over a hoodie. I don't know, man. I like this color. It's super loud, super out there. I will say another piece that will definitely be in my personal collection. I don't really know where to put these bags. My feet are getting kind of cluttered, but the Static Stripe tee. I think this tee is so sick. I did go for a burgundy color, and the more I look at it, the more, I don't know, man, I kind of wish I would have got a black, but I'm still going to keep the burgundy regardless. I love all these colors, and I just think this is such a sick t-shirt. Alright, guys, so we still have a couple more boxes left. Wait, Nikes? Oh, duh, I remember what these are. I forgot these even dropped. I hated this collab. These are the NBA Nike collab. I did not get any of the jerseys or anything like that. I just got the white Supreme Air Forces. Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't a fan. I will say my embroidery looks way better than a lot of the embroideries that I've been seeing on these. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this shoe at all. I really got it because it's one of the few things from that drop that actually has resale value. And, of course, I don't know. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I do not have a fit coming for that piece. I do have a lot of fits coming for some of the other pieces that I've shown off. So if you guys want to see those outfits, of course, make sure you go follow your boy on Instagram. My Instagram's @thestarlet. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. You guys already know I have the most fire Instagram in the game. Ooh, I already know what this is. Sick. It's funny because I was just talking about getting a fit, and this is definitely something I'm going to get a fit in. This is actually mandatory. We do have this little illusion box that holds about 13 coins, but also we have the Supreme Repeat logo sweatsuit. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've taken quite a few pictorials in the FTP Repeat sweatsuit or Repeat outfit, so you already know I need to do Supreme the same justice and take a photo in this full suit. You know, honestly, in person, I will say it looks a lot better. When I did the preview, I was kind of like hard on it. It kind of reminds me of like some like dirt bike racing type font. I know a lot of you guys will be like, it's over branded while you're wearing your FTP all over print. But I will say, I mean, it makes sense. I do agree the FTP all over print is definitely better than this repeat logo, but that's just my opinion. All right, so we have a lot of packages still. We just got through the boxes, but we still have all of the bags. So we got a lot of stuff to go through. Next up, we got, oh, the tees. I actually have more of these coming too. So do not, I mean, I guess I can count these as like I guess I can count those ones in the next unboxing probably. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, little Supreme stickers. Like I said, we'll go over those at the end. We got the Ladybug tee. This tee was actually somewhat popular. I'm kind of on the fence about it. We got the Diamonds tee in gray. I don't know why I got a gray. We got the Hey Fuck Face tee. And then, of course, we got the Supreme Fiorenza tee. I think I got that diamond tee in a couple colorways because I definitely wanted a black one for myself. Oh, we have a duffel bag. We'll go over the duffel bags at the end. I have way too many duffel bags. So, in this one, we got... Dude, I'm so gassed on some of these. Like, oh, I can't believe I got the stickers I wanted to. I'm so stoked. This actually might be the biggest unboxing I've ever done. Ooh, more tees. Okay, also more stickers. We got the Ladybug tee once again in green. We got another little inappropriate face tee. We got the Fiorenza tee again. And then, of course, we got this one right here. This is actually for my personal collection. Those other tees I will probably end up reselling. But anyways, as you can see right here, Supreme. And you got the little S diamond logo right there. I really like this graphic. I didn't really like that they put Supreme across it. Not because I don't like branding, I just didn't really like that font, but I love this S. This is one of my favorite tees of the season. I just like this S. It reminds me of what I used to draw back in the day with the 3 lines, you know, and then you connect the lines and you make the cool little S. We got another Illusion box. I did not realize how much stuff I purchased. Like, we are still, like, barely scratching the surface of everything I have. I mean, I don't know, we still have quite a few. Once again, we have another diamond tee. I actually really like that highlighter yellow. That's sick. We got another Fiorenza tee. And then we got the Nan Golden tee. This was a flop of a collab. My friend, so the reason that I got this, I didn't really want these. They dropped at the same time as all the other tees, and I told my friend, I said, yo, just give me all the tees. That's all I told him, right? And he's like really slow. He's kind of like new to copping Supreme, so he could only really get those two and then that tee. I didn't really want those tees, but regardless, it is what it is. Not anything against that collab, it just wasn't really for me personally. We have another Supreme little undercover poster. We also got some Public Enemy tees. Now, I do not want to open this White House tee, especially because I'm pretty sure I have this in a black. We have LED mini glow stick, little I don't know, like lightsaber thing. And then we have, oh, this is the karate tee. Yeah, I forgot about this. This is actually all like stitched in. Look at this. This is like all embroidered. That's actually sick. Like, this is really good quality. God, there's still like 5 or 6 packages left, dude. And I didn't go over how many duffels I got. Like, I got a lot of duffel bags because when I was in California, I was just buying bags on bags on bags. Okay, next up. Oh my god, okay. What does one person need so many freaking bags for? Back to school season, baby. Jesus. Yup, okay. Yet another little Public Enemy poster. We have another little sticker pack. And we have some pretty sick pieces. So here we have one of the pieces from my personal collection that I will be rocking and shocking this summer. We have this little striped tee. Fun fact, I saw this tee on H3H3. Shout out to you. Thank you, Supreme, for sending me this embroidery that has this loose thread on it. That's really sick of you. I appreciate it. Luckily, I'm not a bitch and I have scissors, so I'm not going to cry too much. But regardless, I think the colorway on this tee is so hard, and I was super stoked to get this for the personal collection. I do want to briefly open this Welcome to the Terradome tee because I do feel like this tee is super sick, and it's one of my favorite tees from this collection. Right there, you have this green skull with the Public Enemy logo. I did not get this hoodie, sadly. The hoodie was super sought after, and it sold out a lot quicker than I expected. The Blow Your Mind tee was also really sick. If you look on the front of it, it just has the Public Enemy graphic, but then on the back right there, you flip it and dip it. Shout out to my bro Paul Cantu. You got the Blow Your Mind graphic. Once again, super sick graphic. I did like this piece, and this obviously has Public Enemy and Undercover in one piece. I think it does a good job of encompassing both brands. Last but not least, for the bags that we have not open, we have, oh, okay, yet another backpack. Now, getting into all the bags, I have way too many bags. I have duffels for days. Like, here, well, first let me show you the waist bags, right? So I got 4 waist bags. I only have 1 of the shoulder bags that came with this season, but then I also got the North Face Supreme shoulder bag as well. With backpacks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For the duffel bags, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the small duffel bags, and then for the large duffel bags, I have 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, I have a lot of freaking bags. The reason I have so many is because I was in LA for a while, so I was just buying bags like almost every day. Just so you guys know, like, I don't buy a lot of Supreme so I can flex it on YouTube. That's not the point of me buying Supreme. I buy Supreme because it's obviously a brand that I enjoy and like, but it's also become a business for me, so just keep that in mind. You don't need to buy all this Supreme to be cool. You don't need to buy any Supreme to be cool. Like, buying Supreme does not make you cool or determine what kind of person you are. There are a lot of super dope, fashionable people that never wear Supreme and hate Supreme, and that's totally okay. I'm a fan of the brand. I just don't think you need to buy it to be cool or whatever. You know, I don't know. If I didn't resell Supreme, I obviously wouldn't buy as much. You guys hear me talk about the pieces that I plan on keeping for my personal. You guys know which pieces I plan on getting photos in because I say that. By the way, if you want to see how those photos turn out, make sure you follow my Instagram. My Instagram's at the start. It's going to be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. TheStarrlife. And before we get into the stickers, I just want to say, like I said earlier, this video is sponsored by StockX, so the top link will be StockX. I love StockX as a platform, and I think it has a lot to offer, and I hope it continues to grow. Everyone has their opinions, but regardless, they offer a super dope service, and it just kind of helps give the buyer a little bit peace of mind, because there's never going to be a reseller that you can 100% feel comfortable with unless you have done business with them in the past. And when it comes to big resellers like that, it's cool that they offer a service where you can have a little bit more peace of mind while buying your product and just knowing that it's legit. But anyways, I digress. Let me get to the motherfucking point. So for the stickers, I'm super gassed because I got a Skull Pile sticker. Now, a lot of you guys hit me up and you guys offered, like, yo, I got a Skull Pile sticker, blah, blah, blah. And I specifically waited to accept those because, as you guys know, I don't want to take anyone's sticker if I can get one myself. So I got a Skull Pile sticker. I'm stoked on that. And on top of that, I also got 2 of the Supreme Undercover Public Enemy stickers. So that's super sick as well. I will be keeping 2 or at least 1 of each of those. Anyways, let me see how many stickers I got now. With the Poppy Seed packs, I got another like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you guys know, I have a lot of freaking Poppy Seeds. When it comes to your standard red box logo, I got, I don't even freaking know, way too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, for how much I bought, that's not even enough. We got some Supreme Diamond stickers. There's 3 of those, maybe 1 more in here. We got some of the Nan Golden stickers as well, so there is 4 of those. Oh wait, no, sorry, 5. We got 2 of the Ladybug stickers. We got the White House sticker, 2 of those, the Fear of the Black Planet sticker, and then of course another Supreme Public Enemy Undercover box logo. So yeah, a lot of freaking stuff, man. I'm so tired. I don't know how long this video is. Probably gonna be like 20 minutes, but I've been filming for like 40 minutes. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. Peace the fuck.